Hello, I'm Chris Waddell, founder of Lamin-x Protective Films. Another question you have for us is, can I install paint protection films myself? And so we have a different degrees of difficulty on these paint protection products. We have simple things like a door edge guard to put on the edge of the doors. That's very simple, level 1 installation anybody can do. We also have door cup guards, which are very small to go in the door cup area to prevent from fingernail scratches. Any regular customer can actually install those too. We have rear bumper guards, rear roof rack guards. Some of these smaller areas don't cover a large surface area. An average installer, if you're mechanically inclined, can easily install this product. And we'll provide you with installation instructions and tools for you able to do this successfully. When you get into the larger paint protection products like clear bra kits, it does take a significant amount of mechanical ability and experience to actually have a successful installation with this. So our recommendation is when you're doing a full clear bra installation, to seek out a professional to actually do this. And you can find one at looking on our website at lamin-x.com/dealer locator. Find a dealer near you where you can purchase the product and have it professionally installed. If you do have a lot of experience with doing this, with installing clear bra products, and if you are mechanically inclined and have the patience and ability to do so, then you can certainly give it a shot. And we also do provide, again, installation instructions and tools to allow you to do this, install this product yourself. If you have any additional questions regarding the installation process and the difficulty, you can email us at help@lamin-x.com. or give us a call or hit us up on live chat. And you can also find a bunch of additional information at our website at lamin-x.com. Hope this helps answer your questions. Thanks. Have a great day.